When it comes to creating the perfect outdoor space, nothing compares to the timeless beauty and durability of Ipe wood decking. Ipe is one of the most resilient hardwoods in the world, with a proven lifespan of over 75 years in commercial and residential applications. Ipe's natural resistance to rot, insects, and harsh weather ensures your deck will stand the test of time, providing a safe and stunning space for your family to create memories for generations. And with its low maintenance requirements, you can spend less time worrying and more time enjoying the beauty of your home. Upgrade your outdoor living space with Ipe wood decking. Experience the unmatched elegance, longevity, and peace of mind that only Ipe can deliver. Discover more at AdvantageLumber.com and request your free sample today. Ipe wood decking, where beauty meets durability.